Designed to have the best performance of the PENTAX K series, the K3 provides an array of outstanding features to optimize image quality, functionality, and maneuverability, even under demanding shooting conditions. The K3 is the new flagship of the PENTAX DSLR range, designed for expert users and professionals. In demanding conditions, having the right camera is critical. The photographer needs all their equipment to be robust and reliable. The K3, its dedicated battery grip, and a range of PENTAX lenses and flashes benefit from weather and dust protection. Perfect to ensure reliable performance in demanding conditions. Whatever the weather, you can use the K3 to capture a world previously unreachable. The K3's body has been constructed for strength and durability and is set to withstand years of persistent use. Thanks to its new 24-megapixel CMOS sensor, designed without the addition of an anti-aliasing filter, the K3 realizes the full potential of the image sensor's resolution, delivering outstanding, sharp and fine-detailed images. To prevent the Maury effect that could occur in some specific circumstances, PENTAX have developed a unique anti-Maury function. The innovative system enables the user to control the effect in a specific scene. Coupled with a new Prime 3 imaging engine, the K3 offers a maximum sensitivity of up to an ISO 51200, creating images with minimal image noise even when shooting in the darkest conditions. High precision metering is provided by the new 86000 RGB light metering system. With this, the K3 ensures perfect exposure to deliver beautifully natural results even in complicated lighting conditions. Capture high-quality Full HD movie clips with smooth movement and a wide variety of controls at up to 60 frames per second, ideal for recording fast-moving action or slow motion. The K3 also incorporates an advanced level movie mode which captures a series of 4K images and compiles them for outstanding effect. The new Saphox 11 autofocus module utilities 27 autofocus points for fast and accurate focus even in difficult lighting conditions. It features 25 cross-type sensors and 2 line-type sensors for precision focusing of moving subjects. 3 central points provide extra power when using fast lenses with a maximum aperture of f2.8 or larger. Thanks to the new Prime 3 imaging engine, you can capture every part of the action. Its high-speed data transmission allows a frame rate of 8.3 frames per second for up to 60 JPEG images or 23 RAW. The dedicated PENTAX Flu card enables wireless connection to a smartphone, tablet, laptop or desktop computer. Via a web browser, the user can see live view images, release the camera's shutter, move the autofocus point and check images saved in the camera, all using the device's screen. For faster image transfer, the K3 is equipped with dual SD card slot and USB 3.0 connection. The K3 is also equipped with X-Synchro Flash, external microphone to be connected for controllable sound, and new AF button on the front for quick access to AF modes. A dedicated button on the camera's body enables direct access to video recording. Filled with new technology and extra functionality, the K3 is the highest performer of all the K-series cameras. It combines all the features demanded by the very best photographers.
Original technologies spawn from never-ending innovation and evolution. Merge with PENTAX, experience and expertise. A full-frame SLR from the PENTAX K series. Debut of the new PENTAX K1. The K1 is equipped with a 35mm full-frame CMOS image sensor and Prime 4, a new image engine. The large imaging area delivers rich gradation with lively, true-to-life images, realizing the highest image quality in the history of the K-mount SLR series. The K1 also provides a top sensitivity of ISO 204,800. It simultaneously achieves the highest level of resolving power and sensitivity. The K1 is equipped with a pixel shift resolution system that realizes reproduction of super high resolution images that supersede the actual number of pixels. It has the world's first embodied 5-axis, 5-shutter step shake reduction mechanism. It provides optimum compensation for all lenses used in handheld shooting. With a dependable dust-proof, weather-resistant construction, -10°C cold-resistant construction, and other features, the K1 offers high reliability under harsh environmental conditions. A revolutionary, new, flexible tilt-type LCD monitor was developed, allowing the monitor to be tilted vertically and horizontally to any desired angle. An operation assist light has been installed for more efficient, comfortable shooting at night. The image sensor unit synchronizes itself with the movement of celestial bodies. The Astral Tracer enables the capturing of celestial bodies as point images. The Smart function is based on the brand new idea of harmonizing an array of features with ease of operation. The original technologies of PENTAX have honed the K-mount SLR series and changed the concept of full-frame SLRs.
The PENTAX K5 II is a semi-professional outdoor DSLR offering exceptional image quality. Its stainless steel chassis and magnesium alloy casing enable the combination of outstanding durability and reduced weight. Thanks to its weatherproof seals, the casing is protected against moisture, dust, and can withstand temperatures down to -10°C, providing reliability even in extreme conditions. PENTAX also offers a wide range of weatherproof lenses for use in all conditions. K5 II features a new AF module SafeFox 10 to precisely identify low-contrast or dimly lit subjects. With the enlargement of the selected AF area, the K5 II automatically tracks moving subjects, even if it moves away from the pre-selected AF point by evaluating the data collected by neighboring sensors. The high-speed burst mode on the K5 II takes up to 7 frames per second to capture every moment. To exploit the potential of the 16 MP CMOS sensor, the K5 II utilizes the Prime 2 image processor coupled with a swift and powerful 16-bit analog-digital converter. The processing time is optimized. The pictures are rich in color, nuance, and detail. Equipped with a high signal noise ratio CMOS sensor, the K5 II generates little digital noise. Management of digital noise is remarkable, and it allows reproduction of images at very high sensitivities up to ISO 51200. The sophisticated metering on the K5 II divides the image into 77 zones to accurately measure the lighting conditions of the scene. Even contrasting scenes or subjects against lighted backgrounds are well exposed. The image stabilization system is integrated into the sensor housing and is compatible with all lenses. It effectively compensates for any camera shake to ensure optimally clear pictures. With the K5 II, full HD video is at your fingertips. You can also personalize your video clips thanks to the many available options. You also have the opportunity to add an external microphone for outstanding sound. The K5 II has a pentaprism viewfinder covering 100% of the image. Premium Viewfinder offers exceptional comfort with a very clear view of the entire image. The 3-inch LCD screen with extra-large viewing angle and 920,000 dots facilitates easy view of images and menus. With air gapless technology that reduces glare, you have a clear view of the image or menu settings even in sunlight. The K5 II offers 10 different white balance control modes, including CTE mode to emphasize your special scenes such as sunsets. RAW files can be processed directly in the camera. You can assign chosen functions to different buttons located on the body for easy direct access. For each user mode, you can record up to 26 functions. K5 II is also available in a version without low-pass filter to meet the needs of users for whom the best definition is the priority. With its durable, weather-resistant housing and its excellent features, the K5 II is the outdoor DSLR that will delight the expert as well as the most demanding professionals.
Expressive performance. A digital camera breakthrough with considerable potential. Award-winning PENTAX 645 system aimed at the limit to exert its prowess. And now, a new legend is born. Distinct format, unmistakable brilliance. The light coming from a large aperture lens and large image sensor gathers an overwhelming amount of information. Represented are clarity and super high resolution images with color depth and three-dimensional rendering. And shooting that covers field photography to a wider professional area. PENTAX 645Z Debut. The 645Z is equipped with a large image sensor, approximately 1.7 times larger than that of 35mm full-frame sensor. An image sensor with an area capable of exceptional three-dimensional depth rendition with overwhelming resolution of 51.4 megapixels to deliver output of B2 size photo quality images of 300 dpi. Even in low-light conditions, such as a field at night, the autofocus assures pinpoint focus to -3 EV, and the auto exposure operates to -1 EV. Thanks to its potential, the PENTAX 645 system achieves both super high resolution and noise reduction capabilities to secure the highest level demanded by professionals to complete the job. The PENTAX 645Z excels interactively, even when shooting subjects such as images of dancing people in the studio. Shoot, review, reshot with a sense of speed. A tiltable, high-resolution LCD monitor bursts shooting at approximately 3 frames per second. And quick view function allows for top-level operability and maneuverability demanded in professional work. To accommodate professional demands, Image Transmitter 2 software enables remote shooting using a tethered PC via high-speed USB 3.0 data interface and wireless flu card operability for faster transmission of images. PENTAX 645Z's exterior is made of sturdy magnesium alloy, designed with dust and water resistance in mind. It also performs in temperatures as low as -10 degrees Celsius, assuring dependability even in the harshest of conditions. Whether in the field or studio, the PENTAX 645Z supports various shooting modes, such as Full HD movie recording and 4K interval video recording. Field or studio, it does not matter. The PENTAX 645Z adds a new dimension in creative shooting.
PENTAX defines the future of SLR cameras. When you take a picture with an SLR, the light passes through the lens and in turn the optical viewfinder. You view the image with your eyes and feel it with your heart. This is the unique experience you get when using an SLR. PENTAX is committed to the future of SLR photography through the continued development of camera technology. PENTAX pioneered SLR cameras through the love of photography. PENTAX quickly discovered the enormous potential of SLR cameras in an era when rangefinder cameras had reached their peak. Shooting with an eye-level viewfinder would never have happened without the introduction of a pentaprism, and this is where PENTAX gets its name. It was the spirit of PENTAX that turned the picture from a mere record into a free-form means of expression. To enjoy the entire process of taking a picture, you look through the viewfinder, focus on the subject, and release the shutter. It's such a joy to use an SLR that there is simply no substitute for this style of shooting. The SLR camera enables you to explore your artistic expression. PENTAX is devoted to the design of optical viewfinders. PENTAX is committed to the development of optical viewfinders by incorporating a pentaprism. This allows the light captured by the lens to be viewed with the naked eye. It allows you to enjoy photography whilst directly viewing the light that creates the final image. PENTAX SLRs express qualities that can't be measured by numerical values. The designers of the PENTAX limited series lenses place greater emphasis on sensory evaluation rather than simply relying on performance and specifications. These lenses have the ability to express distinct memories and feelings by drawing on natural details. Impressive colors turn your images into memorable and unique works of art. In order to capture an impression from the landscape in front of you, PENTAX digital SLRs are equipped with the custom image function. This allows you to adapt your creations as if you were changing the film. PENTAX gives full control over every element of the image, responding to the aspirations of people who enjoy photography. PENTAX wants to make photography your true lifetime passion. That's why PENTAX doesn't just deliver the camera hardware. PENTAX wants you to continue to enjoy photography as a true passion, one that will enrich your life. PENTAX is committed to developing activities that support this goal. Everyone should experience the depth of photography. That is our genuine wish.